guys, welcome back. So today we're making a night vlog. So what I'm going to talk about it is build series. So I'm going to modify my bikes a lot. I do my work by my own. I don't take it to any shop or anything. So I'm going to show you what all things I do it or what all things I don't do it. You will see the build series basically from stock to one of the badass bikes you can say on the street. So yeah, so I'm going to do build series of the Aprilla RSV4 and I'm going to do it on my Kawasaki ZX10r. I'm going to tell you how much I spend it, what all things are I install it, and what all things how much it costs, and what horsepower I gained from the stock basically. What was the bike like from stock, and when not stock because I bought it second hand, so it was somewhat modified. But so from there I will show you like from there to that how much its work is done and how much money I spend on it and how much horsepower, how much weight restriction I did it on the bike. Because stock bikes are very heavy to be honest, but once you remove the exhaust, put the full system or slip on, especially on the RSV4, the slip on reduced a lot of weight. So yeah, so you're going to see a lot of videos about the build series basically. We are going to do it, and we're going to take these bikes to track and see the full power, lot of things we feel it, because safe for street it's not safe. So I'm going to go to do it on the track, and we are going to see the track a lot of time. In here we have loose MotoGP race track, so I'm going to take this bike to that track, and once I modify it according to my level, I'm going to show you the lap time and all things I can do it. I'm the heaviest person to be honest in my group. My weight is 110 kg. I'm not that light guy. So I'm a heavy guy, 110 kg is almost 250 pounds. So yeah, I'm not that light. And I love bikes, enjoy the bikes. Soon I'm going to lose some weight. My target is around 80 kgs. So yeah. So this is a small video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Take care and ride safe. Peace out.